Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's lesson, we will learn how to download studio versions. Before that, I was using the DaVinci Resolve free version for 2 years. I have been using, dear friends. In the last video, I have already updated and unpacked that DaVinci Resolve speed editor. This box is here with me in my hand, dear friend. In the last class, in 2 classes, we have unpacked and I have already shown you why I bought this. I work as a freelancer and learned DaVinci Resolve free version, and 2 years I worked in that, and then I opened this YouTube channel for you for tutorial, and decided ultimately to buy DaVinci Resolve Studio version because I needed a studio version. There are lots of AI features which saves a lots of time while editing video, and with this is speed editor. Actually, I have unpacked in the last class, and you see this is actually our this is actually main things which makes your works very comfortable. You see, this is a jog heel, and when you move this jog heel, you can your work will be very comfortable in timeline. Your control will be on your timeline and curve in DaVinci Resolve. You can with your hand, all control will be in your hand, like very comfortably. In mouse you have to use like this, and this very tough, but today I'm very happy. Ultimately I got such a magic in my hand. Really, Black Magic company is a magic, dear friend, and this when I use it's so comfortable to cut the timeline, trim the video, cut video, add transitions, all are very comfortable, and really it's a worthy product, dear friend. And you know why I bought this? Because the DaVinci Resolve, you see we have already card here. This is our license here. This with this I got DaVinci Resolve. This, you see, this license actually for two system. This whole life I will have update, and the all type of DaVinci Resolve get free. I will use DaVinci Resolve Studio version free whole life, dear friends. So much I am happy. This is the first time I'm so much happy, dear friend, after getting this in my hand. If you are a video editor, professional video editor, you can understand my emotions, dear friend. So I have already today I will use this card to activate the DaVinci Resolve Studio version. Listen the class till the end. Don't miss any step, because all the steps are very important, because we have to activate everything and process. There are lots of process inside. All process are important. If you will update your DaVinci Resolve free version to Studio after buying something from the Black Magic company, it will help you all lots to our video and this tutorial. And we will have lots of series about how to use this jog wheel, how we will use this speed editor. I try to buy some other product like keyboard with Black Magic editor keyboard, but that was $595 something, but this was $395, and the DaVinci Resolve itself is $295. So $100 I added. I bought the whole life this free version, the free two system. I got free. This means DaVinci Resolve I got free after buying this speed editor. Speed editor is a worthy product actually, and it's very small. It's very handy. You can carry anywhere, and you can you makes your video editing very productive and very fast. That's why I decided text-based editing. All are these are very helpful for video editor, for professional work. Saves a lot of times, you understand. So dear friend, now we start the process of downloading the studio version, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for you speed editor. With the speed editor, this card, which is actually golden card, we will use this to activate, and we will use in the next class this speed editor. Let's jump into Resolve for you, dear friend. Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. You know that in the last two videos I have already uploaded how I purchased the DaVinci Resolve from this Black Magic site, how I free of cost got DaVinci Resolve to software the whole life, dear friend. I told in that video how it is possible. Actually, you have to come to the site of Black Magic design here. I will put this link in the description box, dear friend. You come here, you see there are several products. The Black Magic is the famous company which manufactures all type of this equipment for cinema, for audio, post production, etc, video productions. Here you see there are camera, you see for photography you can buy. There are several projects in budget. You can buy this Blackmagic camera, but I decided I am a normal YouTuber or content creator, freelance video editor. So I migrated from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve 2 years ago. Thereafter I worked in DaVinci Resolve free version for 2 years. Then I wanted to buy this free version, buy the studio version, because there are lots of AI features which will make my work very fast now. So we have to come here. You see there are several product. You see this DaVinci Resolve here. There are several product. You see you can buy. This is the DaVinci Resolve. This is free, which we actually use. 95% of features are free here, but you see you can read Hollywood most popular solution here. Motion graphic, color correction, all are free for Mac, Windows, and Linux. But here in the studio version there are 5% features which are not free, are very valuable, saves a lot of time. You can carry on text based video editing here, and you will see AI region tracking, neural engine for automatic AI region tracking, very good. Stereoscopic tools, more resolve effects, filter, etc you can get here. Fairy light effects, audio plugin, and advanced HDR grading, etc. Lots of things you can get in this studio version, the whole life. So I wanted to buy, I had not too much money, so it all are very costly. Here I wanted to buy camera, but I couldn't. You see these all are very costly. I don't need it actually, which I decided for a long time, 2 years I thought to buy. What should I buy? First I wanted to buy this replay editor. It's also good, but this is $495 you have to pay here. $395 for a speed editor. It's a more valuable. You can work in your timeline very easily here. And this is, you see, DaVinci Resolve Studio version $295 its price is, and you have to 100 extra pay. You have to pay $100 extra, and you will get this speed editor and two DaVinci Resolve software, so which you can use in your two desktops, or in your computer, or one in your notebook or laptop you can use. So this it's today I bought. In the last video you can see that I have already downloaded. So I decided to buy this, and I have bought already now this. If you can you can buy this Resolve key editor is also good if you want. This is $595, but it's okay because you have to pay tax again. In I don't know in which country do you live. There, according to the law of that country, you have to pay the tax. So here you can one by one you have to buy. Can see. But today I want to know. Ultimately, I deleted free version DaVinci Resolve, and I want to know. Download here, dear friend, this DaVinci Resolve Studio version, and activate here. So therefore don't miss any part of the video. It will be very helpful for you, and you can see I will show you all the feature in this video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for my motivation, dear friend. So we just click here because I have already purchased everything. So I have a key for this activation key. I will just click here. You see here I have come here. This is the DaVinci Resolve software website. Here you can read everything if you want. I have read several times, but if you want to purchase, go and see every features. And I suggest you to work 1 or 2 years in DaVinci Resolve free version, and when you are expert at editing, so you have mid-level editor, you are already intermediate editor, you can go for purchase here the speed editor. And this 4 you can buy. I suggest you can buy this and keyboard editor, or otherwise this speed editor. 2 are more valuable, so I think this is the more valuable. This is money back like policy. I come here because I have to just download, and I have to activate the come here. We go through all you can see everything here. Then I will come here. You see, and this is actually our DaVinci Resolve free. Now we have to just click here DaVinci Resolve speed editor here for free here. You see, we will just click here. Okay. And now we come down here. If you want to download free, like me, I was using before this free version, but I have no this DaVinci Resolve Studio version. I will just click here, and I have 2 options. You see, one is DaVinci Resolve 9 here. This is a free version. This is the studio which we will download here, and we will activate. We will just I have Windows. If you have Linux, Mac OS, Windows ARM, I have a Windows. I will just click here. Now I have to fill up all the code here. I have to fill up. You see, I have everything is okay, and here I have to fill up the state. I will just write here because I live in Ukraine, and I will write Dnipro Oblast. Here is state here. Okay, and everything is okay. I will not touch here DaVinci Resolve Studio here, and I will just click here. After inserting the serial number, we will just click here DaVinci Resolve 19.2. This is actually the latest version. I will download this. I will just click here. If you can read, if your downloaded doesn't automatically start shortly, please use the link below. Okay, I will just click here. it will automatically start. Now you see it's downloading the zip file here. Hello dear friend, we have just downloaded the zip file here. You see our zip file is here. We will go to show in folder. We will just come here and we have to extract the file very fast, and I will show you how to update this studio version, how to activate the studio version. Actually we will just extract. It's extracting. You see by the file is extracting here. Just we wait 2 seconds. It will extract very fast. Then we will overview the this all features. It will be there will be the class in series. You will see all of the future features in studio version and free versions, and we will cover a lots of things in this series. And you see most of I have just you see this is actually our file here for the install Resolve 19.0.2. actually the studio version I'm installing here, and I will just click here run as administrator. So I will click yes. You see our file is extracting here in DaVinci Resolve Studio version. After that we have to activate with this card I have on DaVinci Resolve here, DaVinci Resolve Studio version activation key, and we will install okay. And DaVinci Resolve control panel, DaVinci Resolve open FX renderer. Okay, we will install all. No, DaVinci Resolve is the studio version installing. Before that, I have several times installed the free version DaVinci Resolve, but this time we have a studio version because I have bought the speed editor and go to DaVinci Resolve free for the whole life. Okay, DaVinci Resolve setup. We will just click next. I accept and next. We will don't waste time and accept install. And now see the DaVinci Resolve is installing actually this time the studio version. So all this is setting up, copying new files, everything's. It will take a few seconds, and we will just start. How is the studio version? CMD has finished. Okay, finished. Now installing everything. Installation complete now. Next we will go to next. Just we minimize it and we come to our desktop here. You see here is our DaVinci Resolve. We will just click here. Continue. This is our DaVinci Resolve 19.0, and we will just continue here. Next. Great, you are almost there. You see showing you before jumping straight into project. Let's make sure you are all set, and quick setup. We have to set up here graphic card, operating system. It will check all. Continue. We will check HD and Ultra HD will check. You can check from here. You can choose later your resolution. I will just check Ultra HD, and this is which is now popular resolution nowadays. I will just click continue. Okay, project media. Where would you like to store your media? We will say okay, C drive. It's a default. We will just click here, and then you see select your keyboard layout. I was working in Premiere Pro before this, but no, I remember the DaVinci Resolve keyboard shortcut. But if you have worked in Avid Media Composer, you can click here Apple Final Cut, Adobe Premiere. I will click DaVinci Resolve because no, I just use it and continue. You see, you are all set. We hope you enjoy DaVinci Resolve 19.0. I will click start. Now you see here actually the point is here. If you have to add the use license key, use Blackmagic Cloud ID, use a license key here. We will use this here license key. Hello dear friend, we have just entered our license here which I bought for DaVinci Resolve here with speed editor. I got this card. I will just click here to activate here. Now it's activating our license key here. You see, and now I will continue as yes. Now you see DaVinci Resolve Studio 19, this is studio version, and had you see activated. Do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? You have to read carefully. Fusion Script services for Fusion Studio. Firewall block some feature of Fusion Script version for Fusion Studio on all public private allow. So once it will ask you, because it will check the internet, your license key activation key, you have to just click here allow. Just you have to click here. You don't be afraid, and you see optimize the DaVinci neural engine. Actually this is the neural engine you have to optimize. There are one or more new DaVinci neural engines that need to be optimized for optimal performance on an NVIDIA GPU. If you have NVIDIA GPU, you have to click optimize. This process might take some time, so no problem, we will take it. We have to click here optimize. Now see, we are now optimizing our DaVinci neural engines. It will make your editings very shining. You will get performance here, and your work speed will of course increase in DaVinci Resolve, dear friend. So write in the suggestion in comment box. How did you install your studio version? How was your experience? We can share our editing tips together in the comment box, dear friend. Share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. In future, so we will add a lots of video on our channels. Be in touch, and dear friend, now we are just optimizing engines. It will take some times, and very soon we will start the next process. We will go through the studio version. Hello dear friend, we have almost optimized, you see, DaVinci Resolve neural engines here. We have optimized 66 files of 67. So it takes some times because the files are very heavy. Our system DaVinci Resolve itself is a very heavy software. You need to a mid-range computer or laptop to run this software, or decent type of video graphic card from NVIDIA you need. So we have almost loaded. Soon we will review the panels, how it's different from DaVinci Resolve free version. Hello dear friend, we have almost optimized all settings in studio version. You see, now we are in the studio DaVinci Resolve Studio here, 19 here. You see every panel is same like the DaVinci Resolve free version here. And this is the media pools. Here we come here and we have to just click Control I to take any file, because I want to show you some project how to work. We'll just click here, and I have some footage, so I will search here. Where is our footage? Stock footage. We have some footage. We take from here. We just click out and just open, because I want to use. Change project frame rates. If you want, don't change, and you can change. It's not. If you want to change according to project, you click here, change. I have changed it. So I will just take the file here. I will drag to direct to our timeline here. See here, this is a cut tab here, and we will come to edit page, because it's a video will be very longer. I want to show you what's new in here. This is actually one very important I see changes. We come here to effect. No, all effects are, you see, same like DaVinci Resolve free version. Very few, some are, these are the which I use fusion effects. Now you can't affect, but if you can't use in free version, but you can use this in the studio version. This you can use in free version. Almost everything you can use in free version. And filters, there are some fusion filters, some advanced filter which we couldn't use, like these FX light, FX ray. It can be, these are no we can use in studio version. There are lots of feature in one video we can't cover here. These features we can use in studio version. You see JPG, damage, noise. But some of these filters are actually free in the studio the DaVinci Resolve free version too. Some are here, but we have to explore here. I am also first to know the DaVinci Resolve Studio version. Now I will one by one explore, and I will show you. I will add the all tutorials to our channels. For this, subscribe DaVinci Resolve here. This see 3D terms. These are we can use in the same. They are also here fusions. There are some in fusions. There are some features which were not available in there, but it will be here available. Here there are some features, advanced features which are not available in the free version, will be available here. And here in fairy light there is a voice isolation, so it will be available. And if I want to delete the silence between your video, it takes a lot of time. Now I can delete this silence very easily. So this is how we updated this from DaVinci Resolve free version to DaVinci Resolve Studio here, dear friends. In the next video, we will show you how we use what's new in the studio versions, and we will have tutorial about this. For this, please join our class, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. So your one subscription motivates me a lot to make more tutorial video for you. Hello, dear friend. We have just today downloaded the studio version, and all process we have seen in this tutorial. We have seen how we can update, we can use this activation key, what's the process, how you can activate if you buy DaVinci Resolve in future. This video will be very helpful. Please join our class for our DaVinci Resolve tutorial class. There will be lots of tutorial. We will add about this how speed editor works, and how the studio version is different from this free version, so why we should buy. And there are lots of software update on our channel for all type of updates. Don't forget to subscribe, write, share, comment, like, dear friends. Your one comment and subscription gives me a lots of motivation. Share this channel to those friends who are in the need of such type of tutorials. We meet very soon, dear friend. Take care. Bye with DaVinci Resolve. Bye. Take care.